If you apply lash extensions, this is a must to get your eyelashes prepared. But even if you don't, because I actually don't wear them, what I like to use this for is just to keep my eyelashes as clean as possible, because I do use mascara pretty much every day. And even though I do wipe it off, I find sometimes it just like stays in there. So let me show you how I use the lash shampoo. It is so simple. Comes with this super soft, thicker brush. And then you also have this one. So you're just gonna put a little bit onto the brush and then close your eyes and shampoo. So you can just kind of draw it down on it. Just be gentle, but it'll get anything that's in there right off. And then you're gonna follow up with rinsing it. Now I have this here wet, so this is ready. It's such a gentle formula. If you were to open your eyes while you're using it, there's no sting or anything like that. And now your eyelash is super clean. Now, what I like about that is when I go to apply mascara, I don't get those clumps or those spidery differences. So you can just see how clean that eyelash is. I'll go ahead and follow up with this one. And then when it's dry, you can take this wand and just go ahead through and do that while it's dry. And you will have the cleanest lashes possible. I think you're gonna love this.